So, you've been putting in the work, right? Doing all the ab exercises, cranking out the reps, but the results just aren't showing up. You're not alone, and I promise you it's probably not because you're not trying hard enough. We're about to break down the real reason your ab workouts are failing and, more importantly, how to fix it for good.
Okay, let's be honest. Does this look familiar? Just grinding away with endless crunches and sit-ups, chasing that six-pack, but all you're really feeling is frustration. It's such a common trap in fitness, and it's time to break that cycle.
The hard truth is, you've likely been taught to train your abs all wrong. I mean, completely wrong. This traditional idea of just crunching and flexing over and over again totally misunderstands what your core is actually designed to do. We need to reframe this completely.
So let's start with the why. Your core is so much more than just a set of muscles you see in the mirror. It's a powerful, complex system that's the foundation for literally all of your movement. It's time to think way beyond the six-pack and start focusing on what real strength feels like.
This right here is a total game changer. I want you to shift your thinking. Instead of thinking about your core creating movement like in a sit-up, start thinking about it preventing movement. It's your body's own natural weightlifting belt, a shield that keeps your spine stable and safe. So its number one job, stabilization. Every single time you lift a heavy box, pick up your groceries, or even just stand up from a chair, your core muscles are firing to lock your spine into a safe, neutral position. They brace against everything, keeping you from just folding over.
And its second critical job is anti-rotation. Think about throwing a ball or swinging your golf club. Where does that power come from? It starts in your hips, travels through your core, and then gets expressed through your arms. A strong, stable core makes sure none of that power gets lost to sloppy twisting, making you way more powerful and a lot less likely to get hurt.
Okay, so if endless crunching is out and stabilization is in, what should we be doing instead? Let's get to the good part, the practical fix. This is how you build a core that's actually strong and functional.
We have to start with the undisputed king of core stabilization, the plank. It's so simple but so effective. It literally teaches your body to resist gravity and hold that rigid, straight line from your head to your heels. This is pure core function. All right, let's break down the form, because it's everything. Get your elbows directly under your shoulders. Now squeeze your glutes and brace your abs like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. The goal is a perfectly straight, stable line. No sagging hips, no butt in the air. Just hold it and focus on that tension. Next up is the bird dog. Now this exercise is just brilliant because it challenges stabilization and anti-rotation at the exact same time. It forces your core to work like crazy to keep your torso perfectly still while your limbs are moving.
So start on your hands and knees. Then, nice and slow, extend your opposite arm and leg. The real challenge here is to keep your hips and shoulders completely level. Imagine you have a full glass of water on your lower back and you can't spill a single drop. It is all about slow, deliberate control. And this brings us to maybe the most important principle of all. Whether you're doing a plank or a bird dog, you have to chase quality, not quantity. Slow down. One perfect, controlled rep or you feel everything working is so much better than 10 fast, sloppy ones.
Okay, but what if you're doing all the right exercises with perfect form and you're still not seeing the results you want? Well, the problem might not be your workout at all. We have to look a little deeper at the internal factors that can completely sabotage your progress.
These three, right here, these are the silent progress killers. When you're under chronic stress, your body pumps out cortisol, a hormone that just loves to store fat, especially around your stomach. Then you have hidden inflammation and slow recovery, which means your body is constantly in a state of breakdown, never getting a real chance to rebuild and get stronger.
This is the key takeaway right here. Building a strong, lean body isn't just about what you do in the gym for an hour a day. True, lasting strength is an inside job. You have to create an internal environment that lets your body actually recover and thrive. So how do we do that? Well, you can start by building a simple daily wellness ritual. And this isn't about adding another complicated routine to your life. It's about small, consistent habits that bring your body back into balance.
You know, a powerful wellness ritual is all about supporting these internal systems. This can mean prioritizing sleep or managing your stress. Another huge piece is nutrition, using foods or natural supplements that help your body's own response to inflammation. For instance, black seed oil, which has a powerful compound called thymocumnone, has been used traditionally for exactly this, but just taking something isn't enough. You got to make sure your body can actually use it. So here's a really cool and simple fix. That active compound, TQ, is fat-soluble, which means it needs some fat to help it get absorbed. By taking your dose with a healthy fat, like a bite of avocado or a spoonful of almond butter, you essentially create a natural little transport system that ferries the TQ into your body so it can get to work.
Okay, here's another great hack that works with your body's chemistry. Your liver is designed to break down compounds it doesn't recognize. The piperine that's in black pepper basically acts like a temporary stop sign for some of those liver enzymes, giving more of the TQ a chance to pass through unharmed. And the raw honey, that helps it hitch a ride across your gut wall. Pretty smart, right?
All right, we have covered a lot. We've busted some old myths, we've learned some new, much better exercises, and we've looked at the hidden factors that really control your results. So let's pull this all together into a simple, clear action plan.
Here it is, your new game plan. First, just stop wasting your time and energy on sit-ups. Second, start training your core for its real job, with movements like the plank and bird dog. Third, build a simple daily habit that supports your internal health. And finally, and this is non-negotiable, make stress management and real recovery a top priority. This is the blueprint for results that actually stick.
If you want to dive deeper into optimizing your wellness ritual, I've actually put together a full guide with over 30 absorption hacks, just like the ones we talked about. To get it completely free, just comment Core Fix below, and my team will send it right over to you.
And I want to leave you with this one last thought. A truly strong, capable body is built holistically. It's about training smart, recovering well, and supporting your health at the deepest level. It's not just about what you see in the mirror. It's about building a foundation of strength that will last you a lifetime.